Welcome to week 12's homework. First, you'll see that you'll need to submit your writing mini lesson plan and slides for a peer review in class on Tuesday. So there's the submission button. You should be ready to submit yours and get feedback from a partner. Also for Tuesday and due on Sunday is to be prepared is to read chapter 2. If you've already done the narrative, resubmit your old assignment on chapter 2. For the rest of you, I want you still to read chapter 2, and you have a choice of either the visual resource that we did last week, or you could do the 3-2-1 format. And there's the submission button. All right, have a great weekend. Bye.